Like this is what, how was it that you put it on TikTok before on that video that you made?
Farm to table?
Yeah, farm to table. This is farm to table style. You cut, you eat. Like there is nothing better than having it indoor where you're not running into spiders in your beds, caterpillars eating your leaves. I have so many caterpillars and pests eating at my cantaloupe leaves outside, and I'm struggling with that right now. But if I would have had the cantaloupe in here growing, I wouldn't have had to deal with that. So this is the reason why we got this, to test it out. And so far, I say 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. I love it. It's my favorite thus far. So they have an incubator on their website, but it's $80. Now, I'm not one about the money, but I mean, it's an incubator. Do you really think $80 is the move? I don't know. So we were at the thrift store and we came across this egg holder. And let me tell you, this thing has done, look, you see the moisture at the top? Look, it has done a phenomenal job. I can't complain. There's still water at the bottom, holding up, keeping the plants moist, everything in there moist. So I'm pleased with this, and it's helping me get to my next level and making sure I plant them with the plant food that they already have in the tank right now. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment. What was the other? Pause. Does anybody else have an indoor? I remember some guy saying, why would anybody pay all that money for PVC pipes?
Oh yeah.
It's not about the PVC pipes behind this. One, you have lights attached to it. Two, a camera that's capturing every part of your growth on this. Three, a whole AI system that reads the temperature in the room, reads the moisturizing, like the moisture that everything is captured in the room. It'll tell you if this is a perfect ambiance for it. And if it's not, it's going to let you know. It's going to message you and give you an update. The AI system reminds you when you need to change out the water. If the water is too low, she lets you know. What else does she let you know? There's so much. Pretty much this is hands off. Like it's hands on in the beginning and then it's hands off up until harvest time. I mean, the only thing you would really have to do is check your plants, pull off if there's, the old leaves that you want to take off, you can pull those off, but it is pretty much hands off, and it's better than just your regular irrigation system. It lights, it does everything for you. They give you plant food. There's a little scooper it comes with too. Can you pass me that? Again, this is what they look like when you insert them. There's a little scooper it comes with too. Can you pass me that? Again, this is what they look like when you insert them. This is the plant food with the scooper. And you do 1 scoop for every gallon of water that you put in. So this takes 5 gallons of water. So when you're cleaning out the tank, which you do, what is it, once a month?
Yeah.
Some people do it once a week. Some people do it once a month. I've only done it once a month so far. Since we got it, it's only 1 month old. But you do 5 scoops in the tank for the 5 gallons. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And the setup it literally takes maybe 20 minutes to set up completely. What's nice about it too, the membership, when you get the membership to keep track of your growth and any questions that you have that Kelby assists you with, they give you 10 credits every month. And with those 10 credits, you are able to purchase anything in their shop. So this also, you can get a thing called Hydro Boost, and it's supposed to help with controlling the algae after the plant food gets built up on the bottom. There's some kind of gunk and like algae that forms on the bottom. The Hydro Boost helps prevent that from getting bad and, you know, making your plants in the rock wall in the rock wall